So in this video, we're going to be talking about Landcadia Holdings 2, or rather Gold Nugget. Is Gold Nugget a buy at these levels? To me, the stock chart looks like a falling knife. So I would have to say no, even though I do have some call options, because I think that I just bought some call options because I think the stock could bounce, but it could also keep falling. We'll see what happens at the end of the day, but right now it looks like a falling knife to me. But the good thing is Landcadia Holdings cannot go below $10. So if you see the stock price goes below $11.50 or even below $11, I would call that a buying opportunity. But it's not financial advice. That's just my opinion. So if it does drop below $11, I will buy into this stock. Simply because it can't go too much lower. I mean, it could go down to $10, but after that, that's it, right? At $10 is a no-brainer. You just throw money in and don't think about it, because it can't go any lower. At least I hope it can't go any lower. You never know, right? In the stock market, anything's possible, and it could dip below $10. It can go to like $9.50, $9.60, but I don't really think that's gonna happen. I honestly don't think it'll go below $10. That's my opinion. So we'll see what happens in the future, but I do believe below $11 is a huge buying opportunity. At $10, it's a no-brainer. If it goes below $10, just pray that it'll go back up. That's just my opinion anyways, not financial advice. So that's, DraftKings. It's worth how much? $18 billion. And they lose money. And they still make less revenue than Landcadia Holdings. That's the reason why I'm slightly bullish on Landcadia Holdings. I know that there is the CEO of Landcadia, the CEO of Golden Nugget is involved with Landcadia Holdings. He owns both companies, and it's like double dipping, and that could cause a failed merger. Who knows at the end of the day? We'll see what happens, but right now, the market doesn't look very good, very nice. I think the market is crashing right now, secretly, and we just don't know about it. But that's my opinion. Very, very volatile day today for the markets. Lots of ups and downs. We'll see what happens. Solo is so tarded. Good thing I didn't buy too much. I was gambling that it was going to skyrocket today. Never happened. Oh well, whatever. But the volume was really nice today. The stock could go down to $2. The lower it goes, the more of a buying opportunity it becomes. I'd probably buy call options as it goes lower, because it'll eventually have to bounce, and then I could just sell those call options for a quick profit instead of holding those call options for a long term. So that's my plan moving forward for Solo, because it's going to move around. It's going to bounce around. It might dip all the way down to $2, but then I would definitely be buying some call options if that happens. But we'll see what happens in the near future. It sucks that today's rally couldn't bring it up. Oh well, that's the reality of it. Big money doesn't want me to make money. Or something like that. Anyways, yeah, I'm just going to patiently weigh in this one. I still think that it's an undervalued play. I think that, they're going, once they start deliveries, they're going to generate a lot of money and revenue. And hopefully the cars delivery numbers are going to be announced. And then people can start working on the math and figuring out how much money this company is going to generate. But there's also the chance that be like, oh, we deliver cars. How many cars? We don't want to tell you. Nah. We just don't want to tell you how many cars we deliver. That's because that's how we operate. That's also a possibility. We'll see what happens. Shell is today down $4.66. I would be really careful about buying Hyliion, and in my opinion, if it bounces really hard, I would short it. But that's not financial advice. It's overvalued, and I think it's gonna crash. It did crash really bad today. $33.44. People bought it up. It went all the way up to $45. People took profit, and it went back down. Zoom is trading sideways. I was looking at Zoom at $526, $25. Like, oh man, I should really short this stock. I wish I did. I would have made off like a bandit. Oh well, too late. Workhorse. I wish I held on to my short position. Oh well, too late. I hope tomorrow is a green day so I can buy some put options on Workhorse. Tesla. I think Tesla is heading down further. I think today's bounce is going to get faded. That's my opinion. But then there's also the delivery numbers coming up. So stock's going to get faded. Delivery numbers going to come out. Boom. It's going to bounce back. And then it's going to get faded again. Especially if the market is crashing, which it is right now. Diamond Peak Holdings. So I lied and I took a little bit of profit on Diamond Peak Holdings. Why? Because I wanted the cash and I'm scared of the stock market and I want to cash. I just want to cash. And, I'm still up big on my Diamond Peak Holdings. So I took a little bit of profit. I wish I took it at $30, but too late now. It could bounce back to $30. It totally could happen. We'll see what happens. If that does, I'm going to take a little bit more profit. So, because I think the market's crashing. And I don't think any press release is going to save this stock. So, we'll see what happens though. Tesla stock is up $7.80. Oh, I already talked about Tesla. HCAC. I actually think that this is a buying opportunity right here. Meaning it could go down a little bit lower. We could see it go down to like, it went as low as 1063, 1050. I think that's a buying opportunity. But we'll see what happens. That's just my opinion. NEVI. Nice day today. Up $3.15. KCAC up today, down today, 51 cents. I have put options on this, and I'm gonna hold my put options because I'm scared of the market. That's my decision. The SPY is up 89 cents. 2.8. It's bouncing back a little bit. TAT is very volatile today. Crashed. Bounce back. We'll see where this goes. And I sold out of my TAT position because I wanted the cash. Should have just kept a little bit just for long term, but too late. I sold it. I'm going to wait on it because I think the market will crash. There's always other buying opportunities. Could be wrong here, and we could see this thing skyrocket to like $10 and I can kick myself for selling. Oh well, that's my decision. High Tide is up a penny. This Last Mile is down a penny, down to 9 cents. I think if this thing goes below 7 cents, I think it's a buying opportunity because it could bounce back easily, maybe because a bunch of insiders bought at 7.5 cents. So that's what I think a buying opportunity around there. But that's just my opinion. MindMed up 3 cents today. They had some news regarding partnering up with Leech Lab. GameStop. Very bullish on this company. And the lower it goes, the more bullish I become. We'll see what happens in the near future. This is one stock I want to hold long term. But the thing is, the market's crashing, and I don't want to buy too heavily into it. While just because I think the market is crashing right now, it's hard for me to be bullish on anything. It's hard. So yeah, ACB. I'm no longer a shareholder of ACB. I sold out of it. CGC is down 32 cents. Kron is up 8 cents. Afria is down 29 cents. Liberal Health Science is trading sideways. Planet 13 stock is down 12 cents. True Eve is down 62 cents. Cresco Labs is down 19 cents. But anyways, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.